Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pair your Polar Vantage V with your phone. First, let's get ready. Please ensure your Polar Vantage V has at least 20% battery life. Also, keep your smartphone close by and confirm that its Bluetooth is turned on. It's also important to check that your Vantage V isn't already connected to another phone or device, as this can prevent a new pairing. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth connection. Next, you'll need the Polar Flow app, which is essential for managing your device. Head over to your phone's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play, and download the Polar Flow application. Once installed, either create a brand new Polar account or simply log in if you already have one. Remember to grant all the requested permissions, like location access, to ensure the app can fully utilize all its features and connect seamlessly with your watch. Now for the actual pairing. Open the Polar Flow app on your phone and it will guide you. On your Polar Vantage V, swipe down to access the quick settings, then go to Settings, General Settings, and finally Pair and Sync. Select Pair Phone. You'll see a pairing request pop up on both your watch and phone. Accept it. If a 6-digit code appears on your watch, simply enter that code into the Polar Flow app on your phone to complete the connection. It's that simple. Sometimes, things don't go perfectly, but don't worry. If you encounter any issues during pairing, a quick restart of both your phone and your Polar Vantage V often resolves the problem. Also, make sure there aren't other active Bluetooth devices nearby that could be causing interference. Always check for the latest software updates for both your phone and your watch, as these can fix bugs. If all else fails, consider performing a factory reset on your Polar Vantage V as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.